Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Tosin here. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and review the Norvina Volume 4 palette. This palette is everything, and I love this palette. When I first saw a picture of it, I was like so excited. This is actually my first Norvina palette, and I'm so excited to review this palette for you guys so you can check it out. And the look I'll be creating today is very simple, very easy, and it's a spotlight look. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys this gorgeous palette. This palette is so beautiful. This is the packaging. It's very great, and it's well packaged. It comes with a mirror inside, which is great, and it feels quite heavy too. It comes with 25 eyeshadows, and you can see how great this eyeshadow looks. It comes with matte colors, pigments, and pressed glitter. And as you guys can see how great the color look is, very like pastel-y spring kind of colors, and it's really pretty, and I love it, and I can't wait to dive in. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Keep on watching. So I went ahead and did this eye off camera. I wanted to see first if I like this kind of look. I've never done a spotlight look in a while, and I'm going to show you guys how I created this look on this side. So let's zoom in more and get started. Okay, now that we are closer, and first up I'm going in with the Anastasia eye primer. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that right on. Just need a little bit. I'm just taking my brush and just lightly blend that in. I'm actually going to use my beauty blender and blend it in properly. I feel like the brush is just giving me a bit of lines. The first eyeshadow I'll be going in with is C4. I like to just take a bit of that and just tap my brush off so I don't have any excess. I'm just packing that on both sides. And then I'm lightly blending that upwards a bit. So this eyeshadow is so pigmented, like what? So pigmented. Just blending out any harsh lines. And up next I'm going in with E1. Doing the same thing. Packing that color right on both sides. So pretty. Like, I haven't done a pastel eye in a while, so I wanted to pretty much dive in. And I'm going in with D2. It's like a neon kind of color. And I'm just taking that and just blending it right above the pink. So I'm just blending that in together and just bringing that color right in there on my crease, blending it out more. So as you guys know, I usually go in again with my shade. I like to apply it twice so you can really see that pigment pop. So now I'm just going to go back in with the first shade and just blend it again. Up next, I'm going to go ahead and take the glitter glue from NYX. I will be packing that right on the center part of my eye. I'm going to go ahead and take E2. It's a pressed glitter. It's so pretty, and it's an holographic shade. And I'm just going to pack that right on the center of my lid. Now I like to bring it a bit more on top of the shadow so that you don't see any harsh lines. So I'm just going back with that purple and just blending out that edge. Up next, I'm going to apply the Eldora lashes in M106. So now I went ahead and popped on my lashes. As you can see, it looks very natural. I like this lashes. It's very lightweight and very natural. And now let's go ahead and do the bottom eyes. I'm pretty much going to use the same color for my lower eyes, just to keep everything simple as possible. I don't know if I should do like 3 colors. So I'm going to go ahead and start popping in the colors. I'm going in with the purple first. I'm just blending that at the bottom. Then I'm going to go ahead and take the pink up next. Yellow is very light. It's not as heavy as I expected, but it's very nice because you can use that to pretty much blend your under eye really nicely, and it gives like a natural look. And I like the way the blue turned out. Just add a bit of color underneath my eyes. I mean, I'm going for the pastel look, so I wanted to add blue to it, kind of like give it like that vibrant look. And I used Touch of Frost from P. Louis base. And now I'm just going to go ahead and finish up the rest of my face. I will be using the palette as my blush and my highlighter. I'm mixing A3 and C2 as my blusher. So I'm just popping that right on. Now I'm going to go ahead and set my face. I'm using the Mario Badescu setting spray. I pretty much like to set my face first before I apply my highlighter. So let's just go ahead and do that. Up next, I'll be using Anastasia Naked lipstick. I think I want to go for a gloss look. So now I'm going to go ahead and use like a clear gloss from Colourpop. No, I'm taking A2 on the outer side, just popping that right on and lightly blending that out. I'm taking A1 and I'm just popping that right there on the center part of my highlighter. I'm mixing those two colors now and then popping it right on the tip of my nose. So use my fingers and just go right the center. And I'm going to take those two colors again, then just pop it around my brow bone now and popping it right in my inner tear duct area right there. I'm going to go ahead and now set my face and I'll be right back to give you my final review on this look. So guys, here's my finished look. I went ahead and added some pearls on my forehead and on my side, and it's so pretty on. I like how this look turned out. I love the way it gives like that nice vibe I'm trying to go for. You don't really have to use pearls when you're trying to create a look, but I just want a very eccentric kind of look that I'm going for. So I went ahead and added some pearls to it, and it turned out really nice and I like it. I would definitely recommend this palette. This is my favorite palette right now. The colors are very pigmented. I really didn't need to go too hard on the colors, and they're very pretty, very easy to blend. And I love the pigments and the glitter, the press on glitter. Like, I love how it looks right in the center of my eye. It's so pretty, and I like how it just pops on its own. Since I have a lot going on my eyes, I wanted to keep it very simple with the lip, give it like a nice nude, and I loved how this look turned out. You can pretty much use this palette all year round, like, to be honest, because it has very deep tone colors also, and it has very warm tones and nudes and neutrals, as you can see. I mean, I would definitely use this palette again to create a different kind of look for you guys, so you can kind of see what options you have when it comes to like creating looks. I just want to do something very easy and quick, so you guys can actually create it also. I try to keep it very simple on my YouTube channel, to kind of like do a very easy looks, because I know a lot of people prefer quick and easy looks, and that's why I went for this kind of look, because it's very quick and easy. It doesn't really take that long at all. I definitely love this, and I love how it turned out. I love the fact that I added a bit of pearls to this look, and it gave it like that boom factor. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Kindly hit the like button down below, subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you guys think about this look and the palette if you already have it. And also, if you'd like to see a different look with this palette, let me know also. I will definitely create another look using this palette. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Bye.